Hey there, it's Ishi here, each day with Ishi. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much for always joining me um, in my Ishi community to see what I'm doing. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. I would be grateful for that. And if you like something that you're hearing, give me thumbs up and let me know exactly how I'm doing. Now, today I just want to share with you. Um, like I said, I am in the edible landscape, which is my patio garden journey that I like to keep you all up with. And so, what I'm doing today is I'm putting together my lights here so that I can put them into the pots and have a little bit more lighting out in the garden area when I don't want to have the big patio lights on. And by now, you probably know that I have a vertical garden. And you're probably saying, well, what is a vertical garden? I'm glad you asked. And so, the vertical garden is a method of growing your plants upward instead of outward by using different structures like the trellis and shelves and wall planters. Um, and stack containers and things like that. And so everything you try to have it growing up for the vertical. Yes. So instead of spreading everything across your patio floor, you're using the height and wall space to grow more if you have small areas. Now my patio is a nice, size, but I just don't want to have a complete jungle with everything spread out because we like to get in the pool and have fun, the grands and everything like that. So the vertical garden is simply growing your plants up, like I said, instead of out. So instead of everything taking up the floor space on your patio, you're using the walls and the shelves to grow upward. And especially if you have a small garden, it's perfect for, I'm sorry, not a small garden, but it's perfect for a small space to take things upward versus outward. All right, so see, these my lights. I got 7 of them that I bought, and I'm gonna stick them into some of the pots. And I'm gonna show you some examples of the vertical styles if you haven't noticed in my garden already where I have some of my plants, okay? All right, so let me get this last one out. So I have to pull these little things out here so that the lights will be able to come on. There. Okay. And so give me a minute. I'm going to step into the garden and show you like some of the things that have my plants growing upward. It's a little breezy. I like that. Okay. I'll be back.